How to change region in Xbox PC. So if you want to change region in Xbox PC, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here, you just need to simply go with the xbox.com. Once you search, it will take you to the website. Make sure to sign into your account. And once you've signed in, go with the upper right and then go with my Microsoft account. And here, you need to go with the left side, which has your info option. Click on your info. Once you click on your info, now you need to scroll down and here you will have country or region option. So you just need to simply choose your country or region. Click on that option. Once you click on it, it will ask you to verify. So click on send code and then you need to enter the code which they have sent you on your Gmail. Open up your Gmail and then you just need to simply copy the code which you have right here and then go back and paste that code, hit the sign in. And once you go with sign in, here it will have the country or region option. So you just need to simply go with the drop down option and you need to choose another country. Once you choose another country, then go with save, which is here on the right side. And in this way, you'll be able to change the region in your Xbox PC. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.